back. We got a couple of tubs that we're going to be doing today. It'll be a short tub day. Tomorrow we're planning on going to a live auction. That is if we can fit everything in our schedule, because we actually have a lot of stuff going on.
All right, tub number 1. Wow, that's a lot of stuff.
Well, yeah, it definitely is.
Put my phone down so I can.
My guess
help.
is that this is going to be for necklaces.
Yep, that's a jewelry rack. I will probably put a couple of bucks on that, put it in the booth, and I'll hang necklaces from it too.
That's a good one right there.
That is a electronic keyboard. Those old Casios like that actually sell fairly well. If that works, that would probably go for maybe 30 bucks on eBay.
All right. I see some. Oh my gosh. Can you see what I see?
Pokemon cards. Woo! I call Pokemon.
All right. Oh, I call all of those things.
Okay.
There's like 6 of them. All right, Pokemon cards. All right, and there's a couple of them that are a thing. How do you normally sell these when you sell your Pokemon cards?
Usually I will skim through them, make sure there's nothing that looks like it's just a massive, amazing card, and then I will sell it by the album. Which I list the album, put it up for auction. I'll start it at $9.99, and I take a picture of every page and let people buy it and sell it for auction.
Pretty cool too.
Got some fake perfume.
All right, what do we got here? What in the heck is this?
Those are fingerlings. They were super popular maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago. You couldn't even find them at Christmas. They're not so popular anymore, but you probably get maybe 10 bucks each on eBay.
Yeah, 10 bucks each. I can definitely do something like that. Considering that there's 3 there.
There's some eyelashes.
Okay.
These are drugstore things. There is an empty diamond pouch, which makes me sad. Some more fake perfume. This is just going to get dumped, and then I'm keeping that tray.
So we're talking $70 each, $70 right there. So,
yep.
That's pretty good. And I think I might have some more Pokemon cards.
Pokemon! Gotta catch 'em all. But I will thumb through those and look for super rares before I just auction them. Got plates, paper plates.
And napkins.
And napkins. Football.
Napkins, yep.
A Zoo York watch. I don't think that's a particularly valuable brand, but I will double check it.
This is for your cell phones, my guess.
Probably a cell phone that's no longer in.
Probably not.
Got some random costume jewelry. Looks like, you know, nothing spectacular, but stuff. Yeah, some sunglasses and things.
Nice little mug. I'll look it up online, and then I'll decide whether or not I'm going to sell that either online or in the booth.
Okay, this is actually really cool. I don't know about the potential value of this. I've never had one of these, but sometimes these older toys like this will surprise you. This is definitely something we will test, see if it works, and potentially sell on eBay. If not, it will definitely go in the booth because it's cool looking.
Yeah.
As long as it works, that will sell somewhere.
And I'll just put it right over there.
This has been a pretty cool book. Bleh, whatever this is. Ben.
Here's the Docker's wallet. It is brand new. Probably just stick it in the booth,
Yeah.
or it might be a Christmas gift for somebody.
That is true.
That's what that one might be.
That
Same
is
thing with that Zoo York thing that you've got on.
A clock radio. It is not any special brand. We'll probably, I don't know what we'll do with that. Maybe stick it in one of our units.
Here's a knife. This does say, I think, made in China.
It'll probably go in our booth, antique booth.
Yeah, and I think that might be a gift for somebody.
Or a gift for someone. A wall. Oh, I like that.
That's a guest.
Yeah, that's a guess with a broken band, but I actually like that Tasmanian Devil watch. That is cool. It also has a broken band, but still cool. People like Tasmanian Devil.
Here's a little bell key ring. Unbelievable, but I will actually sell that for $12, and it'll sell.
That was a fun booth. Or what? Why can't I think of what that's called? Box,
Tub?
bin, tub, not a booth.
Well, we're still not completely happy yet.
Yeah.
Our cat hasn't returned, and we thought we might have had a sighting last night.
We saw something.
Yeah, I bought
creature.
a really nice super flashlight to try to catch reflections, and I know I saw a cat, but there's other cats in our neighborhood, so I
Yeah.
don't know for sure yet. So we're not. No.
Oh.
I'm gonna put this one
Okay.
on top here. There's the next one. Oh, I remember this one because me and you
We have played with those
we have
before.
played with
Yes.
these right here.
Yes.
All right. So I'll just put these over here.
Those will go in a school bin to go to a school.
We got them over there.
Okay.
I'll take it over to there. Well, I'm trying to keep things organized over here. I know it doesn't seem like it.
I just figured we could move it later after we were off camera, but clearly that wasn't to be.
Oh, I'm sorry. I messed up again.
It's okay. Here's a, that can go in Goodwill, I can assume. Here's some more things if you want to put that in the school bin.
Okay. I'll just lay them off to the side.
That's a vintage Disney blanket. 1984. That might sell. Really just depends on my mood.
Cassette. A paper tiger. Isn't that one of those things that goes around, just creates things in wallpaper and stuff like that?
It says a scoring tool for wallpaper is what it says on it. Got some stickers. These are nothing spectacular, but they will go in a lot. Stuff like this, I lot up into just a big lot of stickers, and they sell.
Yep. I see some t-shirts in there.
Well, that's interesting.
I didn't do it. What about this puzzle right here? It's a Fun for You.
I would probably just Goodwill
is
that
sealed.
one. That particular one, yeah. Ooh. This is kind of hard for me to pick through. Is this Goodwill bin?
This is right here.
That is.
Hell?
A dirty bear. Some ivory soap that was made to look really old, but it's not actually that old.
Here's a little guy that's...
He is old. That's a vintage little elf Christmas ornament. People actually like these. I'll probably put him in the antique booth, especially since it's the holiday season.
It's the holiday season. Dee-doo. It's an apple.
It is an apple. That'll go in the booth.
Apple basket.
Got some gloves. I know you like to save gloves.
I do, because I always run out.
This is not a particularly desirable flavor of or scent of Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna toss that.
Wow, this thing had sand all in it.
Uh-huh.
Because the sand keeps falling out.
That's just a GE Walkman. I'm gonna toss that.
Yeah,
If that was Sony, I would have kept
but it was
it.
actually cut.
Okay.
So that'll go in the booth.
Here is an really horrible condition Orioles jersey that just says Dad on the back. I'm gonna toss that.
Toss that. Goodwill. Goodwill.
A Wrangler Western shirt. Those can be okay. This is more modern and it is not in the best of shape.
Oh, this is a...
It's a scrub top.
Scrub top for Dudley Do-Right.
That is actually pretty cool. I'll check that out for condition issues a little later.
Okay.
It's a Barney sheet. But the condition, it's got stains on it. I'm gonna pitch that. Got some Febreze. It does work.
Okay,
We always use
is this
Febreze.
lit for this?
Probably, but that is not anything special. We're just gonna pitch it either way. There's Brian's Barney. I know he loves Barney tapes.
I do.
He watches them all the time in his free time.
Tracy's so funny. Oh, there it is. See
Mold.
everything?
Yep.
So one thing with these tapes is you gotta look for mold. You see the mold, just get rid of
It's cool.
it. Okay.
This is Bath and Body Works scented lotion. I can tell by the color in this. This has gone bad. That is gonna get tossed.
CDs, cassettes, things like that. I'm just gonna put all of these over here. Oh, there's some more of those things for you.
Oh yes. Now with multiples of these are gonna go from going in the booth to I'm gonna sell these online.
Barney's families are special. Alright, no mold on this one.
That's good. There's you some more CDs.
Oh my gosh, it's Charlie Brown's thing.
Got a speaker here, but it looks pretty garbagey.
Goodwill.
Give it to Goodwill.
I've got enough speakers right now that I could probably...
I wish all of y'all could smell what we could smell now. One of our neighbors is barbecuing and it smells divine, and now I'm hungry. And my mom's not even bringing me a hamburger, and that's not even
Death
fair.
Trap Dungeon. Sounds interesting for a video or a computer.
Pretty sure I played that a long time ago. Microsoft Works handbook. This box has not been near as good as the last one. I enjoyed the last one a lot more.
We got some white, yellow
That's
lights.
just...
These are going to have to be something to look up. Light bulbs, by the way, are something that are selling right now. A lot of them are selling. We have
This is
everything
super
about
cool. I'll
this.
put that in the antique booth.
I know what that is. That is
That's a
vintage.
chalk holder that they do
Yep.
to write
Make
lines. Yep.
Yes. Those are vintage.
Maybe put that in the school, or do you think we'd sell it in the booth?
I wouldn't put it in the schools because schools don't have chalkboards anymore.
That's true.
I would look it up online and then probably put it in the booth.
And that will probably sell in the booth too.
This is just going to go.
Yeah.
Goodwill.
And that's the one little Lego piece.
We have Legos.
Yep. We collect them. And there's my mom and Caitlin.
With no food for us.
No food for us. Yes, they did not feed us today.
Here we go. Oh, that's a cool clock.
Not really. I'm just gonna pitch that. And there's some sort of terrible noise. I apologize for that. I don't know what it is. Got a U.S. Border Patrol hat. It is, I think, like a, just a joke hat almost. I'm gonna pitch that.
It's over here.
We've got, what is this, like grappling hook? Do I need to pause this? I'm gonna pause this. Okay, we're going again. Sorry, there was something vibrating and it was making this horrible squeaking noise, and Brian was wandering around aimlessly, and our video was just
Aimlessly.
going nowhere. So I paused,
This is
and
a
now we're
tow
going
cable
again.
right here.
Okay, so not a grappling hook.
No, it's a tow
Yeah, I
cable.
don't know tools.
No, these are automotive parts, and the things with these is they don't make them anymore. For certain cars, we might be able to sell them.
Are we going to sell them?
Well,
Are
we
you
gotta
going to do
scan
anything
them.
with them?
We'll scan them. Okay, we'll see what we're going to do with them. If not, it'll go into a unit.
Okay.
Okay. Since it seems to be dogging Brian.
No, I'm just making sure because I just don't want to keep things that we're not going to do anything with. That's my biggest thing.
I wouldn't do anything with those unless they were whatchamacallit. Unless they were, but they were new.
Right.
For some reason, when I did
Right.
something with it. That
We've got
program over
multiple tape measures,
there. Okay.
which apparently you can never have enough tape measures because you can never find a tape measure when you need one. And we seem to always need them. So I'm going to lay a couple of those over here for us to not find when we need them.
We got a pump for a tire,
Okay.
and I just put it over at the thing.
Oh, a cargo net.
Yep. You actually have one of these already. So that's actually going to be a good one.
There's a tire sealer thing. Should we put that in the car in case we ever have a flat?
Be a good idea, I guess.
Wouldn't hurt.
Nope. Don't know. Tools. Tools. This is mainly just, all the rest of this is just tools.
Man stuff.
This is all stuff that's probably going to go, the box is probably going to go just the way that it is, right into our tool unit.
Yes.
The next tool unit.
So does this mean we are done with every box that we have from old units to go through?
No, we got this stuff over here, but this is like stuff that we didn't want to go through on the video and stuff because it's all dirty and, you know, basically what you see is what you get. I mean,
Well, we
Playboy
had
magazines
one-
and stuff like that.
Ugh, dirty. We had one cool box out of the 3, so that was kind of neat. I definitely,
got
I get
stuff out
excited
of all
about,
of
I
them.
get excited about the Pokemon cards. I do enjoy selling those. They always sell. I like when I find things that are good to put on auction that actually get some good bids. So that's
Yes.
always fun.
Yeah, Pokemon cards are definitely.
And those
that.
fingerling things, while they aren't big money, they should sell well, right? Especially at the
now,
holiday
with the
season.
holiday season. We got the keyboard. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
More media. Some stuff over here for the booth and
Right.
or gifts because you know why not. The video is not playing, by the way.
It is actually playing. It just isn't moving. It does
It's
that.
not moving on there.
I understand.
Noticing that right
You just don't know what you're talking about.
there. I love you too so much sometimes. But yeah, this is the only stuff that we have right here.
Okay.
And then we got some stuff we got some stuff right over there too.
All right.
That all came from the antique unit, but none of it was in boxes and tubs and things.
So it's kind of loose,
Yeah.
wild and crazy stuff.
We're basically at a good point right now to get another good unit, but we still got a lot more work that we need to do.
Right. But-
So we're going to work on that too. You know, if we see a good, amazing unit, we'll definitely buy it. We'll go through the bidding process with you.
Yes.
We're going to probably try to go tomorrow to a live auction. It'll be at Alpha and Omega.
Which has had some notoriously just trashy units. We've gone many times and not even put out a single bid.
Yeah.
But we have also gone and we've bought 3, 4, 5 units in one day.
Yeah.
But we're going to just go and see what happens. And
It's not our favorite, but it's the ones that are live.
they're
that
super
are around
close
here
to
and
us
stuff
too.
like that.
Even the furthest away is only like that we're going to go to is only 30 minutes away.
Yeah.
And we're just going to go hit those auctions and see what we see.
Right.
And then I know later in the week we're going to see some online auctions that we're going to take a look at and see what's going on there too.
Right. I want to give a quick shout out to my mother-in-law's neighbor, Wayne. He has been he's an amazing neighbor for my mother-in-law. I don't think I could have asked for a better neighbor.
Yes.
He loves to take care of her yard. He cut down trees for her, cleared out a whole mess of area and stuff like that. He's just going to walk away from it.
No, I was just going to show all this area used to be trees and brush and everything, and he's cut it down, and they're still working out here, and we're going to help clear out. I think Brian's going to get some brush killer and work on clearing some of this brush out too, so
Yeah.
it's going to be awesome.
Yeah, he's just an amazing neighbor.
Yes, he lives
there,
right here.
and he works with the Atlanta Beverage Company, but I wanted to give him a good shout out because he's a really, really good guy.
Yes.
I don't think he watches any of our videos, but
No.
good guy.
Anyhow, we will be back tomorrow. If
Yeah.
you want to see auctions, you will see auctions tomorrow, hopefully.
Yeah.
See ya. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.
Peace.